Hello, this is Nicole Whitlock with the eCom Q4 Summit, and today I have with me the amazing Miss Laurel Portie. Hey, Laurel.
What is up, everybody?
I am so excited to have Laurel be one of our key featured speakers for the eCom Q4 Summit. So let me just tell you a little bit about the summit, and then we'll hear from Laurel because she's got an awesome topic. So the eCom Q4 Summit is like an e-commerce conference. It's an e-commerce conference that's actually online. So instead of going to a hotel, airport, paying for meals and all that other fun stuff, you don't have to do that. You'll literally be able to watch 3 days full of e-commerce content all online, and it's 100% free. So all you have to do is get registered. You can click on the link up above or down below to get registered right now. And it is August the 5th through the 7th. And again, it's 100% free. So Laurel, I am so glad that you agreed to be one of our key feature speakers. Tell us a little bit about your topic, and actually tell us a little bit about yourself and then a little bit about your topic.
Okay, yeah, absolutely. So I've got a 16-year track record in television. I was one of those news producers, TV producers that, promoted the evening news, promoted television shows. And so that's kind of where I learned how to copyright. I've studied audiences for like the past 16 years. I decided I'm going to go live on Facebook one day and just teach people how to do Facebook ads. And here I am. People have been asking me, I need help with my e-com store. I need help with my coaching. And so I've just been helping people out. That's turned into kind of an accidental business, but I'm super excited because literally this has become my passion for sure. And so basically my topic is actually going to be covering some of the strategies that I've learned inside television. So what you guys are going to learn is not like a Facebook ad strategy. It's literally the buyer's journey strategy. Now, how important is that for everyone who's doing e-com, right? To have a full understanding of what that buyer's journey is, right, Nicole?
Yes, definitely. So she's going to be covering all kinds of great strategies and techniques that we sometimes are not thinking about when we create our Facebook ads as we go through the process of trying to promote our products, sell our products, get more eyeballs on our products. So you just need to get registered. The link's up above or down below. Now, the one thing I need you to know is that, the summit is absolutely free. But if you want to go back and watch a previous day's content, so you'll be able to watch Monday, absolutely free, Tuesday and Wednesday, absolutely free. But if you want to go back on Wednesday and watch Monday's content, then you need to upgrade to the All Access Pass. Now that All Access Pass is $147. It will give you all the content of all 22 amazing speakers. And again, we're talking about speakers who have over 10 years of e-commerce experience on average. And with that All Access Pass, you'll also get all the amazing speaker bonuses. And I know Laurel has a great bonus for all of you.
Absolutely. So I'm literally, like I said, going to teach you guys strategies. I'm not going to teach you guys tactics that only work for, a little bit of time, because you guys can find that on YouTube. You guys can find that in so many different courses. I'm literally going to go over an exact strategy from start to finish on what you guys need to know. And this is just not for Facebook. Whether you want to utilize this for YouTube, whether you want to utilize this for Instagram, I literally want to make sure that you guys are armed and ready for a sustainable business, not just a now this year business, but a business that's going to last forever. And so you have to know the entire strategy, starting with what's going to get their attention. What type of problems does your product actually solve, and how can you actually upsell them to other different types of products? And so my thing is going to be jam-packed with many, many valuable things that no one else online is teaching you guys right now. Because like I said, you guys can find the technical stuff on YouTube, and plus the technical stuff probably by next year is going to be totally different. I want to arm you guys with stuff that is going to be sustainable. And so my freebie to go along with this, because I know sometimes you guys watch the videos, you see somebody do something, but you guys need that step-by-step guide. And so I'm actually going to give you guys 2 guides in one. So basically, I'm going to be going over how to actually test some audiences. And so I'm going to throw in that step-by-step worksheet of how I do it. Again, a lot of people do it different ways, but I'll show you guys what has worked for me and my clients. And also, I'm going to walk you guys through a worksheet that's going to help you place your actual not only your first Facebook ad, but your entire strategy from start to finish. So like I said, I'm leaving nothing back in this. I'm not selling you a course at the end. Like literally, I'm giving you guys what I should be selling, but what the hell? This is all about giving value. So I'm literally going to leave no stone unturned. And I believe, Nicole, you want me to do it live so you guys can actually ask me questions while I'm actually doing this. So that's freaking amazing.
Oh my gosh, you guys, seriously, this is going to be a huge blessing to everyone who gets registered for the summit, all of the golden nuggets and tips that she's going to give you, especially if you're just totally green when it comes to creating any type of Facebook ad strategy. She's going to help you pull it all together. And again, if you get the all access pass, you get her two bonuses that are going to help you get started creating your first Facebook ad and also identifying or at least capturing your audiences. So Laurel, thank you so much for taking the time today. I know your schedule is super tight. I do appreciate you. I'm glad that you're one of the key featured speakers. And again, the summit is August the 5th through the 7th. The link is up above or down below. Get registered right now. You do not want to wait. And I would encourage you to upgrade to the All Access Pass because you cannot get that bonus anywhere else. Thank you, Laurel.
You're very welcome.